Part 2 asks us to find Spearman's rank for this set of data here. Usually I like the table going down, but we'll just make do with the ones we've got here. This is nice and straightforward. First job is to find the ranks. So many times I've seen students trying to find out Spearman's rank from the raw numbers, not the ranked numbers. So we need the ranks for X and the ranks for Y. And it doesn't matter if you go in ascending order or descending order, as long as you do the same for both rows. So hopefully you can see on the top row they're going up in order. So I'm going to rank them in ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the smallest one I'm looking for now on the second row, which is here, so that's going to get a rank of 1, a rank of 2, a rank of 2 for 0.8, 3 for 1.2, and 4 for 1.4. Once you've ranked the data, we want the differences between the values. And it doesn't matter if you do the top row, take the bottom row, or if you literally just find the differences, because we're going to square them in a minute. So you might have some negatives here, but because we're going to square them, those negative values will disappear anyway. So that's what I've done on this row. I've just squared these values here. So 3 squared is 9, and so on. And then the number I actually want is the sum of that row. So the sum of d squared, sigma d squared, which is 14. We can then use the formula for RS, which you are given in your formula booklets, but should hopefully know by the time you get to the exam because you've used it so often. Is 1 minus 6 lots of sigma d squared over, and it's just the second part that's divided by, not the 1 minus. That's another mistake that people often make. And it's n, which is the number of columns, which is 4, times by the n squared take 1. So that's 1 minus, well, we could just type all that in on the calculator. 6 times 14 over 4 times 15 gives me negative 0.4.